De Morgan's second law. The second law of De Morgan states that A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So to prove this law, we have set U, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, and A set which has members A, B, C, and D. B set which has members E, F, G, and H. Now we prove the second law, that is, it has left hand side and the right hand side. So first we solve the left hand side, which is A intersection B whole complement. Now the A intersection B whole complement, it is equals to, or this A intersection B whole complement means U minus A intersection B. So now we solve this one, U minus A intersection B. So we have U sets which has members. We may write the members of U set, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, minus A intersection B. The members of A set are A, B, C, and D. Intersection members of B are E, F, G, and H. Now in second step, we write the members of U as it is, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. And here the members of A and B, because there is intersection, so we take common between these two members. So the common is, here there is no common between these sets, members of the set A and B, so we write empty set here. Now in next step, the empty set is subtracted from the U set, so the answer will be same, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So this is the answer or result of this A intersection B whole complement, and the result of left hand side. Now we solve the right hand side. The right hand side is A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement. Now here, what does A complement and B complement means? The A complement means U minus A, and B complement means U minus B. I use bracket here to separate this U universal with the U set. So now we use this U minus A here. In place of U, we write the members of U set. The members of U sets are A, B, C, D till H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are the members of H minus A. A has members A, B, C and D. Now union, again set of U, members of U set which are same as we have written before, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H minus the members of B. The members of B are E, F, G, H. So we write here E, F, G and H. Now in next step, what we will do here, we subtract U minus A, so the members of A will be removed from this from the members of set U. So A, B, C and D are removed from U set, and the remaining members are this one, E, F, G and H. We write here. Then union, again we subtract E, F, G, H from here, E, F, G, H. So the remaining members are A, B, C and D. Now in these two members or sets we have union. We have to take the union of the sets. So we write all together. That is, first we write the alphabet A, then B, C, D, E, F, G and H. All the members are written here. Now this is the final result of right hand side, that is A complement union B complement. Here you see that both the right hand side and the left hand side have same result. That is, here this is the left hand side and this is the result of right hand side. So we can say that left hand side first is equal to right hand side, or it is verified that the second law, which is A intersection B whole complement, is equal to A complement union B complement. So in this way we verified the second law of De Morgan's.